Okay? Now,
Oh.
let's see here. When it says that he is black as a raven, verse 11, Songs of Solomon 5:11.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go to the Hebrew on that. In the Hebrew, the word for raven, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
is Arab, Oreb, like an Arab, Oreb, Arab.
Okay, okay.
You see it here?
Mm-hmm.
So the person here is a Arab.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now,
That's not, yeah. All right, I see. I see
yeah,
what you mean.
and now
Okay.
verse 16, not only is he a Arab, but his name is Can you read that for me?
No, I see that. It does say Muhammad.
So Muhammad isn't
Okay. And what
Muhammad
did
isn't
that
no
word substitute, like Muhammad? What did it like say for in the Bible? Like, you get what I'm saying?
Yeah, altogether lovely.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is time to cook us some Central, as in Central Dawah. You just listened to that nonsense from that poor misguided Muslim. He tried to tell that poor Christian that the word Orab, which is Strong's 6150A, which means raven or ravens, he tried to say that word could also mean Arab. Is that true, ladies and gentlemen? I don't think so. Let's go take a look at it, right? Here's another one. Adep, 6148. It's a verb. What does it mean? To pledge, exchange, to mix, to become surety. Sure don't sound like an Arab to me, Central Dawah. Let's go to this one. Arab, 6150. Now, what Mr. Central Dawah doesn't know, or he probably should know, that Hebrew and Aramaic and Arabic, they're semantic and they have a root system. But just because you share a root system between languages, it don't mean that you get to change the meaning of the word. Now, 6150 is Arab also, which means, again, it's a verb, which means close, evening, or turns to gloom. It's not talking about an Arab as a person. All right, let's go to the next one. Aha, what do we got here? What do we have here? Central Dawah, better known as Circle Dawah. Here is the word for Arab or Arabian. Arabiya. 6163. It's an adjective, but depending on how you use it, it is also a noun, right? What does it mean? An Arabian or an inhabitant of Arab. So, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, the word that he picked for raven, orab, not just because it sounds like Arab, just because it smells like Arab, might even look like an Arab, does not mean that it's an Arab. And Mr. Central Dawah can go around changing the words. And then the fool of all fools, and that includes him, an Orthodox Muslim, and Dean Response, he went to Solomon 5:16. Right? He tried to say, ladies and gentlemen, he tried to say that the word Mahak Madim, right? Oh, look, it says Muhammad right there. And of course, the idiot, aka the Christian, says, yeah, I see his name there. Ladies and gentlemen, that is not a name. If you look across all the way to the right-hand side, it says NMP. What does that mean? That means it is a noun. It's a masculine plural noun. Now, I don't know about you, but Muhammad would be a name. And also, there's no such thing as because it's got an I am that it means it's a sign of respect. Now, Central Dawah needs to go back to school and learn that a noun and a proper noun are two different things. But he's got a bigger problem because Solomon 5:5 is about a man and a woman. So if this is a prophecy about Muhammad, then Central Dawah is going to have to admit that it is a female prophet. because it is a female that is talking about this Muhammad of his, right? Also, this is not being spoken in a prophetic way. It is not talking about a future event. She is describing somebody that is presently there. Not Momo, coming about 1800 years into the future. So Central Dawah, could you please, for the sake of Allah, could you stop making a damn fool of yourself? Okay? It is not a good look. So please, stop it. Okay? All right, that's enough.